In 2005, 2-in-1 was officially launched as a first one-of-its-kind product. Karolina's vision was to combine cleaning and reproofing into one wash cycle. It also needed to be a solution that was eco-responsible. Combining cleaning and reproofing was not an easy task, and we spent years formulating the perfect solution. Innovative, unique, high performance. The convenient formulation delivers powerful cleaning whilst restoring durable water repellency and revives breathability to keep you warm, dry, comfortable, and outside for longer. Our bottles are made of 100% prevented ocean plastic, reducing waste even further. And because it's PFAS-free and Blue Sign approved, you can trust that it's not just protecting your gear, but helping to protect the world you love to explore too. For over 20 years, Grangers 2-in-1 has kept your clothing performing, saved you precious resources, and protected your adventures. Now we're excited to launch the next chapter in its history, elevating performance with a new enhanced formula and continuing our commitment to longer-lasting outdoor protection.